Hi everybody, it's Honest John again. Now, Donald Trump and all of the Republicans have made repealing the Affordable Care Act as a very big issue in their campaigns. When asked what they would replace it with, they become pretty vague. They talk about marketplace solutions, which means absolutely nothing. I mean, the last marketplace solution that we all experienced was the 2008 recession, and that didn't work out so great for us. But one idea that they do float, and they've been floating for a long time, is the idea that people should be allowed to buy insurance across state lines. Right now, you have to buy insurance from a company that is registered or has offices or is basically based in your state. Now, this is not usually a problem because the big insurance companies are located in almost all of the states, but not all of them. So there is some overlap, but there, in some cases, there are only a couple of major insurance companies in the state. And the Republicans argue that buying insurance across state lines would bring down the cost of health insurance. They really don't have any evidence to support that. And there's no reason to believe that it actually would, but that's what they say. But here's what it would do. Insurance, health insurance, and most other kinds of insurance are only minimally regulated by the federal government. The primary regulation of insurance companies is done state by state. And this is why every state has an insurance commissioner. And so if you have a dispute with your insurance company, then and you can't resolve it, then you can take it to the insurance commissioner. And the insurance commissioner has a lot of power. He can settle those disputes. And it's kind of his job to act as your advocate against the insurance companies. But if you buy insurance, which you can't do right now, if you were to buy insurance from another state, and you had a dispute with your insurance company, well, that insurance company would fall outside the jurisdiction of the insurance commissioner. So they would not be able to intervene in your problem. And you couldn't ask the insurance commissioner of a state that that insurance company is based in because you're not a citizen of that state, so you fall outside his jurisdiction. So if you were allowed to buy insurance across state lines, you would be basically putting yourself at the mercy of the insurance company. There would be no authority that you could take a complaint to. The only thing that you would be able to do is lawyer up and spend years fighting the insurance company and their legion of lawyers in court. And chances are you'd be dead before your case was resolved. Thanks for listening.